We saved almost 2 lakh rupees for one of the brands dealing into perfume category by this strategy called as N-gram analysis. Do you know what? There are so many keywords into your account right now that you don't even know and you don't even see that are bleeding like crazy. And this is called as death by 1,000 keywords. These are those search terms that you can not even analyze through your naked eyes. This strategy is called an N-gram analysis. Now, what exactly is N-gram? So we divide the entire search term and we bucket them into 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, and 4 word. For example, in the entire search term, I break down by single word. For example, red color. Wherever in the search term, whichever search term is having the word red, we will give you a cumulative idea that how much spend, ACOS, sales, and overall impressions you are getting. Now imagine if I have a clothing brand और मैं red color का t-shirt बेचता ही नहीं हूँ, and I'm seeing a lot of red color is having very, very high ACOS, let's say 90%, 100% ACOS. That is an opportunity to negative phrase so that I don't get searches from the word red. And in my future campaign and my old campaigns, I can actually save a lot of waste ad spend. Now let me share you the example of how does the N-gram analysis looks like, what exactly is N-gram and how do we optimize on that. Now, if you see my screen right now over here, this is my tech tool called as datafume.tech, and here we are doing an N-gram analysis. Now, N-gram analysis basically comes from the search term reports. So if you see over here, we have 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram, 5 gram. It is nothing but 1 gram means single words, right? So every search term, every word that is coming in a search term, we have broken down into 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, and 4 word. Now you can see in the first N-gram, the 1 gram, you can see there are almost 19 lakh sales and 24% ACOS. In 2 words, we have total of this much sales, spends, and ACOS. 3 words this much, 4 words this much, and 5 words this much. Now here is where we will be breaking down everything. Now you can see over here, a perfume is coming in almost 13,000 search terms. How much? 13,000 search terms, right? So every search term which has perfume in the entire reports of your Amazon ads, we combine all those search terms and we give you combined impressions, clicks, ROAS, orders, sales, and ACOS. We give you all these things combined for a single word. So for perfume, there are almost more than 13,000 search terms which has the word perfume, and combined sales, span, ACOS is so much. Similarly, all these are words. Now here you can see we can do a lot of analysis, right? So I can say that, okay, show me all the 1 grams, right? 1 grams, okay, which has got 0 orders, let's say in the last 60 days, okay? Now here is where the game changes, guys. It's very, very important to see that. When I sort this from top to bottom, almost 6,000 rupees of sales is coming from the word called as Bella Vita. Now Bella Vita is actually a competitor to the brand that I'm talking about right now. So Bella Vita is a mass brand where they sell the products at 500, 600 maximum. The brand that we are doing this audit for is actually having perfumes which are more than 3,000 rupees. So it's a luxury perfume and these are mass perfume. Now anybody who's searching for, let's say, Bella Vita will not convert for our brand because they are not looking for luxury. Now you can see in the last almost 60 days, we have almost spent 6,000 rupees on this term Bella Vita. Now you can click over here and you can see all the search terms which has Bella Vita. Now you can see Bella Vita perfume for combo. Now imagine this Bella Vita perfume for combo must have come from only 1 campaign, and from that it has got only 1 click. Now you must have actually ignored it, like 1 click is fine. Now across all your campaigns, if you see Bella Vita as a word, it is almost spending 6,000 rupees, guys, and it has got almost 324 clicks wherever the Bella Vita word was there, and it has got you 0 sales, right? So you spend 6,000 rupees getting 0 ROI. Second is Beardo, right? Beardo is again a mass perfume brand. We spend almost close to 329 clicks and almost 5,000 rupees getting 0 sales. There, let's see gold. What is there in gold? Let's see that. Right. So when you click over here, you will see that Nike gold perfume, Jaguar gold perfume, CK gold perfume. Now we as a brand don't sell anything which has a gold variant, right? It is like very normal. We don't sell any gold variant. So is gold relevant for my particular product? No. So I'm going to use gold and do all the negative phrase. Now the only way you can actually reduce the ACOS is by taking the word gold, Beardo, Bella Vita. Let's see some more. Let's see price. Let's see what is there in price. So perfume for men, high price. Now this is relevant, right? Because people are looking for better pricing and stuff like that. But for the number 1, number 2, and number 3, like we can take Bella Vita, Beardo, and gold and do negative phrase in all our campaigns, so that never when somebody searches for Bella Vita, Beardo, or gold, our product shows up. Second, in the future campaigns also, we can negate this into negative phrase so that we never spend on these kind of search terms for this brand, because this brand is a luxury perfume and these all are mass perfume brands. It will never convert for that because the shopper is looking for cheaper product or maybe the same mass product, and this will never appeal. So you will be able to save roughly around 13,000. For example, here you can save around 6,000, another 5,000, another 2,000. So around 10, 12, 13 to 14,000 you can just save with these three words if you start negating. Even if you see the stone word and you see over here, the word stone, wherever the stone is there, it's Wild Stone. Again, Wild Stone is again like a very mass premium brand, 500-600 rupees product, minus 3,000. Again, it would not convert. So this is another one, right? So now you can just download this report. Like you can create this report from Amazon search terms, do some AI analysis and find single word spends, or you can use any tool just like this and you can do it. Now you can just take this all search terms like Bella Vita, Beardo, Bold, Stone, and do negative phrase into all your campaigns, and even in the future campaigns you can do that. Or you can use an automation and do this much faster. Just like this, you can get everything within a click of a button, and you can select all the things that you don't like. You can just click over here. Let's say you can just tag them saying that negate branded competitor, right? And then you just save this, and basically we just go to the automations, and within a click we can do negated. So for example, I can tag them, I can go to advanced automation over here, I can click on, let's say, blacklist whitelist, I can click on create a rule, and I can just say that okay, whatever search terms are there, and let's say which I have already given a tag, right, as a negative branded, I would like to do them as a blacklist, I would like to do negative phrase. So I'm creating a rule right now, and I'm saying that if there is any search term which contains the branded search term that I've taken, I would like to blacklist and negative phrase. That means that all the campaigns, it will go and it will negate what I have given, all the tags that I've done. I can say that do this, let's say, daily, and do this every single day, let's say 9 o'clock. And I can just say that start from today. And when you click over here and you see, it will automatically negate phrase every single day for new launches also and for the existing ones also. So I am now worried free. I know my wasted ad spend will not happen for new campaigns also and old campaigns also. And that is exactly how you can use NLM analysis to save lakhs of rupees. This was just a small, if I would have gone much deeper, I would have definitely saved around 30 to 40,000 per month easily on this brand. If you have not done the Enneagram analysis, what are you waiting for? Start your Enneagram analysis. It's free to start. You can just download the search term report, do one word analysis, and that's it. But it is too much tedious. And if you are somebody who's already spending 2.5 lakh and you are looking to scale on Amazon with an automation tool, then click the link below and book a demo with my team for datafin.tech. And I'll see you in the next video.